In today's video, I am going to teach you how to ban someone from a Facebook business page. Start by opening facebook.com in your browser. Make sure you are already logged in to your Facebook account. Once Facebook loads, switch over to your Facebook business page so you are managing the correct page before making any changes. After you are on Facebook, look to the left-hand menu, find your business page there, and click on it to open the page. This will take you into the page where you can manage followers and page interactions. When your page opens, go to the top area of the page and click Followers. This section shows the people who follow your business page. Give the list a moment to load if needed. Then scroll through the followers until you find the person you want to ban from the page. Once you locate that person, move to the right side of their name and click the three-dot menu. This opens a small list of actions you can take for that follower. From that menu, select Block. This tells Facebook that you want to prevent this person from interacting with your business page. After you click Block, a confirmation window will appear on the screen. Take a moment to review the information shown in that window. Facebook may explain what blocking means, including that the person will no longer be able to interact with your page in the normal way. If everything looks correct, click Confirm. Facebook will then apply the block to that user. Once the action goes through, the person should be removed from your page follower activity and blocked from further interaction with your business page. To finish, check that the change has been applied successfully. You can review the followers list again and confirm that the blocked person has been removed or can no longer engage with your page. This helps make sure the moderation action was completed correctly. This process is useful when you need to protect your page from unwanted interactions or repeated problems from a specific user. As long as you are managing the correct business page, the steps are quick and simple to complete. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.